Approve employee loan applications in Innovative HRMS. Click Loan Management to open Employee Loan Administration. Here, the admin can view all loan requests submitted by employees through their accounts. The admin can also filter the list by status and request type. Click the View Details button to open the loan application's details. Click the green check mark to approve the pending loan application. You can add any remark here, such as a simple "OK," indicating that the company is ready to provide the loan as requested. If there are any concerns or discrepancies regarding the employee's loan request, the admin can choose to reject it as well. Click Approve to confirm and finalize the loan request. Once approved, the loan repayment will begin from the next payroll cycle, with automatic deductions reflected on the employee's salary slip. Transfer the way you work. The future stars now with Innovative HRMS. Book your free demo and connect with us today.